Man, I hate Mrs. Christina's class. It's so boring and she doesn't even teach us anything important. I really wish I could sneak out of class and do literally anything else. Wait a minute, I think I have a great idea. I should ask Mrs. Christina for the bathroom pass and then when I'm in the hallway, I will skip class instead. This plan is foolproof. Har. Mrs. Christina, may I use the bathroom pass?
What are you going to use it for?
For the bathroom.
Oh, all right, go ahead.
Another reason why I hate your class, always playing some stupid fucking act.
Hey Dora, what's up?
Not much, Macusoper, what's been up with you?
Literally nothing. Say, do you want to hang for a bit?
I'm already skipping class, so sure. Oh look, it's Gerald. Ugh, I fucking hate that guy.
Yeah, I know what you mean. That guy sucks and he'd probably tell on us if he finds out we're out of class.
Wait, what? He's a snitch.
Dora and Macusoper, you're both supposed to be in class. I'm gonna tell the principal about this.
Oh no, you're not.
Dora. That was awesome. But, oh no. There's blood everywhere and it's on your hands too.
Oh, don't worry about that. I'm gonna go wash them off.
Dora, how dare you skip class and wash your hands in the water fountain? That is it, I will take you to the principal's office so we can give you a disciplinary ass spanking.